In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall Copilot on Windows using settings. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to fully remove the Copilot app and any related entries from your system. We'll start by opening the Settings app. The simplest way is to click the Start button and select the gear icon, or press the Windows key and the letter I together to jump straight into Settings. Once you're there, look for the Apps section on the left side. Click that to open your app management options, then choose Installed Apps. On some versions of Windows, this area may appear as Apps and Features, but it serves the same purpose. It lists everything installed on your computer. With the Installed Apps page open, use the search box at the top to find what you need quickly. Type Copilot into the search field. Windows will filter the list and show entries that match. You're looking specifically for any app entries named Copilot, or anything clearly labeled as related to Copilot. When you see the Copilot entry, move your cursor to the right edge of that row. You should notice a small button with 3 dots, sometimes called the ellipsis menu. Click those 3 dots to open the context menu, then select Uninstall. Windows may display a confirmation prompt to make sure you want to remove the app. Confirm to proceed and let Windows complete the uninstallation. If a small uninstaller window appears, follow its on-screen instructions until it closes. After removing the main Copilot entry, repeat the same process for any other related items that appear in the search results. This could include entries with similar names or variants of Copilot. A helpful tip here is to glance at the publisher information so you're confident you're removing the intended app and not something unrelated with a similar name. If you're watching this on YouTube, keep in mind that the on-screen labels or layout can vary slightly between Windows versions. Focus on the path we used: Settings, then Apps, then Installed Apps, and the search and 3-dot menu method works consistently across minor design changes. Once you've uninstalled Copilot and any related entries, the app should no longer appear in your installed apps list or when you search your Start menu. If the list doesn't refresh immediately, give Windows a moment to update. That's all there is to it. You opened Settings, navigated to Apps and Installed Apps, searched for Copilot, used the 3-dot menu to uninstall, and repeated that for any related entries. Great job cleaning things up.